All right, man. You guys ready? All right, guys. I haven't traded Bitcoin since day trading Bitcoin since I don't even know, probably like 2 years. Because this thing is scary, you know. This thing's actually scary for real, but we'll see if we can get in on that, right? So this is the monthly time frame, right? Yet again, all stock minus the monthly time frame. BTC went all the way down to 17,471, and since then it's been going up, right? Then I'm going to add a couple more levels right here, right? This one right here as well. Then I'm just adding I'm just adding all my key structures on the monthly time frame, right? You have the break and the retest, and it's been going up. Then I'm going to add one. I'm going to add one right here as well. That's a beautiful break retest. I have a beautiful break and the retest right here, right? And then I'm going to go down on the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame, that's where we're at right now, right? That's the weekly time frame. There's not much going on the weekly time frame. If you want to, you can add a couple levels, but there's really not much going on. You can place a level right here. So pretty much you can kind of trap Bitcoin right now because Bitcoin is bouncing between 72,871 and 59,221, right? So that's the monthly and the weekly time frame. I'm done with the monthly and the weekly time frame. So now this is where the magic happens, right? This is the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, guys, the first thing can you guys tell me right now the first thing that you notice on the daily time frame? Right? Obviously, BTC is bouncing between those two levels right here, right? Bouncing, 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 bouncing. But can you guys tell me why BTC is currently going up? I'll give you guys a hint. It's a pattern.
See the head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders right there.
They use this thing doesn't really care about the dog.
So you see, like Rika said, man, if you've been putting the work, if you've been studying, that's the minute I opened the chart on BTC, that's the first thing that I've noticed and why BTC is currently going up, right? Look at that, guys. You got the head right here. You got the head, right? Like Rika said, man, beautiful, right? You got this right here. You got the left shoulder, right? And then went all the way up. You came back down to give you a right, which is a great indication that the market is going to go up, right? It's called inverted head and shoulder pattern, right? So that's that. And then also, if you grab your trend line, this is just daily time frame, right? If you grab your trend line as well, right? Obviously, BTC was trending down a little bit on the daily time frame. If you grab your trend line on the left side, all the way down, guys, look at that. Remember, guys, all you need is 3 confluences or more before you get in. And we got 3 confluences, right? The first one, we know Bitcoin is overall bullish. So you guys should be looking for buys unless if there's like a major break of the trend, right? But since then it's been going up, so you guys should be looking for nothing but buys. To me, it doesn't matter if Bitcoin went to 1 million, right? I'm just going to wait for the retracement for me to buy it because that's how I trade, right? I'm not going to sell it if it's going up, right? And then the second confluence is, like Rika said, you got the head, you got the left, you got the right, that's the second confluence. And the third confluence is the break, right? Downtrend, touch, drop, touch, drop, touch, drop. BTC been trying to break that low downtrend, right? And finally went above it, came back to retest it. If I saw that, I would have taken this trade 1,000%, right? Came back to retest it, right? To give it the right shoulder. That's money right there. Obviously, we're kind of too late, right? But I'm going to see if we can actually get in, right? So we have 3 confluences or more that BTC is going up. So now I'm just going to add a couple more lines because that is a good level right here, right? Can even put it there as well, right? Since BTC went above, give me 1 second, guys. I'm going to try to get as many touches as possible right here, right? BTC went above that resistance level at 63,502. Yeah. Then if it comes back for a retest right now, we're actually getting in for sure. And also, guys, you can use the fib as well, right? We have over 4 confluences that Bitcoin's going up. Right, guys, you have the low, you have the what? What do you guys call this? You have the high, like Joe said, and Rika also said, guys, if the market fails to go to the previous low, it's gonna go up. And if you grab your fib as well, I can guarantee you, man, this is at least a 61.8% retracement. If you grab your fib, place it from the most recent low to the most recent high, guess what, man? 50, 61. And I tell you, man, this strategy works for everything. Doesn't matter if you trade stocks, crypto, gold, silver. It's the same thing for everything, right? So then guess what? It's gonna go for the minus 27, right? Going to retrace. So all we're gonna have to do right now, since like I'm not sure how long Bitcoin is going to, maybe,
Still, that's a big range.
But we'll- huh?
It's still in the big range, probably.
So the way I'm seeing it right now, but the thing is, no one can predict the market, right? But based on the way we trade, if the market goes for the minus 27, which is going for the because it went for the minus because it went for the 0% CP1 smash automatically, right? Then minus 27, that's for CP2, right? You have to grab your rectangle box, and then the market is creating a white, guys. And you are high, and we know for a fact, as soon as the market goes for the minus 27% to create the new area high, it's going to do what? It's going to retrace back to create a new higher low. So you placing a trade on Bitcoin right now for a buy, that's a good idea for the buy for sure. But that means you're going to be risking a lot of money because your stop loss is going to have to be below the previous area high. The best thing to do is grab your fib. I will call this trade just to show you guys that the strategy works 1000%. Doesn't matter if it's Bitcoin, gold, silver, currencies, right? All you have to do is place your fib from the most recent higher low, right? Let's say Bitcoin goes all the way here for the minus 27 or whatever, right? Then guess what? You're gonna have to wait for the market to retrace. And look at that, guys. You're gonna retrace to what? To a good support level. Sorry, that was a resistance level, right? Break. Yes, we know as soon as the market break a zone, he has to come back for a retest. It doesn't matter how long it takes. No matter if it takes days, weeks, the market will come back to retest that level for sure. And guess what? If you place your fib as well, the 61.8% is at the level. So we have to place the buy right here. That's going to be your new what? That's going to be new what? A new higher low, right? Actually, let me grab my phone, but I'm filming right now. I'll grab my phone. I'll probably call a buy limit on this area right here. Then we're gonna ride it all the way up to the minus 27. But do not counter trade, man. Do not listen to this guy.
There's a nice setup trade right now.
Bro, do not listen to this guy, man. Especially do not counter trade against Bitcoin, man. Come on, you get it? Manu, you good? Steven, right? It's easy, guys, right? Yeah, but we have to wait for the market to create the next structure, right? The first thing you got to look for is the trend. Is it bullish or bearish? Because think about it, guys. You can only do two things when it comes to trading. It's either you sell or you buy. You have to pick a side, right? Listen, the minute you alter your strategy is done. Trust me. Because, no, I'm saying your strategy, but I'm saying the minute you alter, like, bro, if you know something works, don't change it. Me, I'm so disciplined, man. I'm so disciplined when it comes to trading. And I'm so patient because I've lost so much money. Like, at one point, you're going to be like, enough is enough, man. You know what I mean? If you know something works, no, dead ass. See, something with freak out. You're going to be like, yo, bro, if it's going to take me 2 hours to wait for BTC to create the structure to the next higher low, I'm going to wait. You know what I mean? Yes, we know BTC is going to drop, but yet again, no one knows when the retracement is done until it's done. Yeah, treat BTC like gold. Exactly. Gold. Let's say if you use 0.10 as your regular lot size, probably use 0.03, maximum 0.05 with BTC. I go lower than that. Because nothing is guaranteed with Bitcoin, man. Because Bitcoin, but we have at least 5 confluences for the buy. If you guys want to sell it, if you guys want to scalp it, go ahead. I'm not stopping you guys. But at one point, you're gonna be like, enough is enough, because you're gonna lose so much money trying to counter trade. You're gonna be like, yo, I'm tired of counter trading, man. And it's very easy, man. Like, we're not better than the market, right? Don't go against it. We can't beat it, right? Just try to be on the right side of the market, right? Just try to be on the right side of it, right? If you're trying to go against it, it's gonna kill you.
Like the days about those.
But the thing is as well, man, listen, I don't mind losing trades. as long as I know I'm following my strategy, bro, I don't give a like if I have the structure, the trend, and the fib, I don't mind losing a trade. I know my strategy works. It's not 100%, but I know it works. That's what I'm following, right? If I do lose the trade, I'm gonna take it to the chin. It's part of the game. Listen, the way I see it as a business expense, right? Because you need to put gas in your car to go to work. The same shit. Yo, you have to pay the fees, bro. You know what I mean? That's the way to trade, man. And the thing is, when I tell you guys, man, the minute you make peace with your stop loss, the minute you're okay with what you're risking, but you're not gonna be sweating at night. Because back like a couple of years ago, bro, like every couple of years, no, seriously, bro, a couple of years ago, bro, like I'd be placing trades late at night, or like over risking, over leverage, but I can't sleep. Every 20 minutes, I'm turning to check the phone. You know, you turn to check the phone because you're not supposed to risk. But let's say if you have 1K account, like you have 1K in your account, right? You know you're not supposed to risk more than whatever, like $70, $100, right? And then you go all in risking $700. You're not gonna be able to sleep at night, right? You're gonna be checking your. I'm telling you guys, bro. You'll be sweating at night. Like you'll be like 2 a.m. You can't sleep. You'll be checking your phone all day. Especially if the trade's not gonna go your way, boy, you know, obviously if you deep profit, you're gonna go to sleep. But if you're negative for the night, oh man,
Deep profit.
forget about sleeping.
You're gonna take a screenshot with my profit.
How many time frame? Joe loves the lower time frame, man. But look at that, right? That's such a low, high, high, low, high, high. Did we get it right here? No, we're good. That's all, bro. Hopefully in the next 2 hours, if it gives us loss, we're good. Yeah, if you place your flip from here to there, probably 61 gonna be in this area. Then it'll be good to go.
Zoom in a bit more.
Don't catch your eye. It's
That's all for today's session, guys. Thanks for coming. We'll be trading Bitcoin probably the next 3-4 hours. You know, I'll probably call the trade in the group chat, and hopefully we make some money off of it. And then, you know, if it goes well, I'll give it the benefit of the doubt. We'll keep on trading it. If it doesn't, I'm out. I'm not trading it anymore.